Here we have the Nissan Primastar 2024 model. This vehicle is fitted with our Carrier Citimax 280 refrigeration unit. All our Carrier refrigeration equipment comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty for extra peace of mind. This customer requested a fiberglass lining in the rear of the vehicle. Also fitted is LED lighting, front bulkhead wall protection, wheel arch protection as well as rear door protection. All our insulation and refrigeration conversions are carried out in-house to give you peace of mind your new investment is safe in our hands. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.